Welcome to our FacilitatePro Leader Guide tutorials. In these tutorials, we will be showing you how to use our tool from start to finish. If you are new to FacilitatePro, these videos should be viewed in order. If you need a refresher on something specific, toggle through our channel playlist. Each video is titled for what we will go over. So let's begin. Getting started. Before anything else, bookmark your unique FacilitatePro site URL. That way, you'll easily be able to come back and log in as needed. As a leader, you will log on with your unique user ID and password. For this Getting Started video, we will be showing you how to run a meeting in our Auto mode. Auto mode is a streamlined version of our tool, created from years of seeing how our clients most often use our tool. For more information on Auto versus Manual mode, click our How-To video on Auto versus Manual. Also, we will explore Manual mode further later in this series. Now, once you've logged in, you will be taken to your main screen. From here, you will create the topics for your meeting. When participants log in, they will see the agenda that you have laid out for them. Quick tip: plan your meeting ahead of time. In our help files, we have provided you with a meeting plan template to help you think through your meeting outcomes and the steps that will take you there. Then, it is easy to map these steps to the appropriate agenda topics and activities, such as brainstorming, categorizing, or voting. To create a new topic, press the Create a New Topic button. Then, enter in the topic name, description, and topic number. Save your topic. You can edit or delete any time by pressing the pencil icon. And to enter, just click the link within your agenda. Quick tip: when you create a topic for your group to discuss, think in terms of a question. For example, instead of a title like Environmental Factors Affecting Our Growth, use What sorts of environmental factors do you see affecting our growth over the next 5 years? This invites your participants to engage and contribute. Once you've created your topics, you can create your participant ID. This will give you a link that can be sent out so your team can join you. As a best practice, it's a good idea to open a second browser and log on as a participant. You can toggle between your leader screen and the participant tab at any time to see what your participants are viewing. As you can see, with the exception of the action and toolbars, it is very similar to your screen. When your team has joined, you will direct them into the first topic. From here, they will be able to add their ideas and see other ideas as they are added. If you would like to make any edits with your leader settings, just click Use My Settings to view the topic as a Facilitate leader and to delete or edit any idea. As you move through your meeting, at any time you can move all of your participants back to the agenda by pressing Move All to Agenda. This allows you to keep your team on track. With your agenda and topics prepared, you are ready to start your meeting. Thank you for watching Video 1, Getting Started, of our FacilitatePro Leader Guide tutorial series. Click our next video, Managing Your Participants, to continue learning about our powerful tool. Happy brainstorming!